The mirror's image tells me it's home time, but I'm not finished, 'cause you're not by my side. And as I arrived, I thought I saw you leaving, carrying your shoes. Decided that once again I was just dreaming of bumping into you. No, it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls. To my message you replied, why'd you only call me when you're high? Why'd you only call me when you're high? Somewhere darker, talking the same shit. I need a partner. Well, are you out tonight? It's harder and harder to get you to listen. Mark it through the gears, incapable of making all right decisions and having bad ideas. No, it's 3 in the morning, and I'm trying to change your mind. Left you multiple missed calls, and in my message you reply, why'd you only call me when you're high? Why'd you only call me when you're high? And I can't see you here wondering where am I. It sort of feels like I'm running out of time. Haven't found what I was hoping to find. You said you gotta be up in the morning, gonna have an early night, and you're starting to bore me, baby. Why'd you only call me when you're high? Why'd you only ever call me when you're high? Why'd you only ever phone me when you're high? Why'd you only ever phone me when you're high? Why'd you only ever phone me when you're high?